Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use parameters in the Power Query. So I have my data here, the Jan, Feb, and March sheets that is included in one workbook, 2021 sale. So I'm going to upload this data in the Power Query. So I'm going to go to the Data tab and then get data from File, from Excel Workbook, and choose the file and then choose Import. And in here, you can see the sheet names. Let's start with January and then transform data. Okay, so let's rename it first as the sales. Okay, and the first thing is we can use parameters in filtering any of these column headings. So let's say in the customer, we wanted to filter this. You can see here 3 customers. I will choose A. Okay, so we can automate that. In the filtered row step, you can see here at the formula bar that we have A here. You can replace that. So go to the Home tab and then Manage Parameters, New Parameter, and then let's call it as the customer. And then type is any suggested values, list of values. And then we can type in here the customer name. In our example, it's A, and then plus B, and then plus C. And then choose default value, let's say A, and current value A. Okay. So that's it. Now we can see here a drop down list. Let's go back to sales and connect it. So in the filtered row step again, go back to that and then replace A in the formula bar with customer. Okay, that's it. Let's check it. Let's say we have B and then go back again to sales. That's it. That's changing. Now you can also use parameters in changing the sheets. So let's say we have a date here. Let's put a month name, add column, date, and then month and name of month. So we have January, we can have Feb and March here. So as you can see in the navigation step, we have item equals January. We can replace that. Again, go to the Home tab, Manage Parameters, New Parameter. Let's call it the month. And then here, any. And then suggested values, list of values. And then type in the sheet names. In this example, it's Jan, Feb, and March. That will depend on the sheet names that you have. And then default value, let's choose Jan. And then enter current value of Jan. Okay, so that's it. Let's go back to sales. We have January. Let's go back to month. Let's say it's Feb. Okay, in the sales, nothing happens because it's not yet connected. So let's go back to the navigation step. And then in the item equals Jan, remove the Jan and then change it into month. Okay, so let's have this the last step, inserted month name. That's it. We have Feb and then customer B. Now, you can also use this parameter by filtering any of the headings like date, product, and sales. So we can do that. Let's say we wanted to sort date ascending. That's it. We have sorted row step. So in the sorted row, we have a date here, the formula bar. You can replace that. Go to the Home tab, Manage Parameter, New Parameter. Let's call it the sort. Then type is any, values is the list of values, and then we can type in the headings. We have the date, and then also the product, and then the sales. And then let's use date for default, and then current value is also date. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back to sales. Let's change it in the sorted rows. Replace the date with sort. Okay, so that's it. Now let's check it. Let's have product. Okay, it's now sorted by product, customer B, and also month of Feb. Now let's create a report out of it. So in our report, we wanted to see customer C in the month of March. And then let's sort it by date or sales. Let's have sales. Okay, and then you can check it first. We have this March, customer C, sorted by sales. Okay, close and load. In a new worksheet, okay. Let's put it here at the top. Okay, so we have this report, month of March, customer C, sorted by sales. So, for instance, we wanted to change it, like we wanted to have a different set of report. Go back to any of the parameters. Let's choose customer C. And in here, let's say we have A, and then month of Jan. Okay, and then sort it by product. Okay, so close and load, and then click data tab, refresh all. That's it. That's automatically been created. So that's it. I'm pretty sure I'm done. If you like this video, you can subscribe in my channel. Click the subscribe button and see you next time, and thanks.